Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Portugal D7 Visa. Well, Portugal has an increasingly popular visa that's called D7. In fact, most of the D series visas are gaining much hype and popularity, but particularly D7 is at its peak. It's a pretty straightforward visa. It's kinda like a retirement visa or living off passive income. And the minimum requirement for this visa is pretty low too. The minimum income to be eligible for this visa type is annual 8,460 euros. If you want to add your spouse or partner in your application, you need to show 50% of your total fund, which is half of 8,460 euros. And if you want to add any dependent, that can be your parents or your children, for each person you need to show 30% additionally. This is regardless of the person's country of origin. This visa allows you and your family legal residence in Portugal. It is intended to attract retirees and those living on passive income, like I said, to reside in Portugal in an effort to boost the economy. That's what they're saying. But additionally, the holders of the visa are not precluded from having a personal or professional activity in Portugal. You can apply for your D7 visa at the Portuguese consulate through a series of residence applications. After you have your visa, your immediate family also becomes entitled to a residence permit under the family reunification regulations, which can be found in their website as well. Additionally, the visa allows you to travel through Schengen zone visa-free, as it is registered with Schengen information system. So, what can you do and don't or can't with this visa? You can live in Portugal or anywhere in the EU as long as the visa is valid or renewed validly. You can own and run a business. You can own bank account and save. You can own, rent property and vehicle. You can buy government bonds and shares. The can't list is pretty small, but let's mention it anyway. You can't have a job, as this visa is mainly for people who wish to retire. However, you can have a job if you can show your source of income as not a retired income, rather a passive income. Make sense? But consulting a law firm regarding this is suggested. You can't stay out of Portugal more than 6 months of each year of your active application. You can't claim government benefits or funds until you obtain your permanent residency. As my majority viewers are from South Asia, so I'll mention a few local addresses of Portuguese embassy. You can select yours, whichever is close to you, and visit them for more information. If you're from India, the Portuguese embassy is located in New Delhi, 4 Pranchal Marg, Chankhampuri, New Delhi, and you can find their phone number, fax number and email address on the website. If you're from Nepal, the address is Lakshmi Bank Building, Hatisar, and it's in Kathmandu. As well, their informations are on the website. You can find over there, and their local time from they're open to close. If you're from Pakistan, the Portuguese embassy is located in Islamabad, house number 8, street 36. And if you're from Dhaka, Bangladesh, then your local embassy is located in Banani, but their specific address is being updated as they're moving their location. But to be sure, talk to them first, because a few of these consulate doesn't accept applications directly. For example, Dhaka consulate operates only basic things. They don't accept applications through their office. They rather accept applications through French embassy and Dutch embassy. The entire process takes about 5 years. Once your initial visa is granted, it will be a visa for 4 months. Within this 4 months, you will have to visit Portugal for extension, which will allow you another 1-year visa, which can be extended for another 2-year visa after that visa or prior that visa expires. And the fourth step, you will have to renew your visa for another 2 years, and then once you complete that 5 years row, then you can apply for permanent residency. And once you have the permanent residency, you can go for Portuguese citizenship if you choose to. Well, I hope this helps, and if you find it helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing. Your encouragement helps us immensely. Thank you.